Hey guys, I'm Miles the Gecko here, and today, of course, in the middle of a video. I'll be right back. Here's your package, sir. Oh, okay. Okay, bye. Guys, I got a package from YouTube. I don't think this is for me. Oh, it's right there. To Miles the Gecko, 1136 South Utica Avenue, 364137. Yep, that's me. From Fast Fly Mail Service. Guys, this is from YouTube. Okay. Guys, look what they sent me. A YouTube play button. And this is not even fake. Listen. Oh my god! Guys! Oh my god! This is the silver play button. Oh! Oh my god! I didn't even get 1,000 subscribers. Or whatever. Oh my god, I got the silver play button! Well, I was gonna go to McDonald's today and do a vlog and go eat french fries. But it's disgusting there. Oh, anyway, but I got this instead. So I guess that's it for this video. I don't really know. So yeah, goodbye.